Hey everybody, it's Allison here. I cannot resist showing you the flowers again because they're even better than they were last week. It's the very first day of June and just phenomenal. And I thought I would show you guys what I use to do organic bug control. I use a couple of things and I'll show you how to make that. We're having a lot of loss due to pill bugs, and aphids will be coming very soon, and I have a ton of brassicas and we have a big problem with it, so I am going to be spraying. I would prefer not to do anything like this, but we lose, I already lost like 5 cucumbers and strawberries and like a third of my beans to bugs. So I am going to give it a spray. Let me show you what I do. I'm getting buzzed by a hummingbird. Her feeder's right here. You can see it right there. So anyway, I have my sprayer bottle. This is almost a gallon, and so I have my water in here, and I use neem oil. So according to the instructions, always read the instructions. Most people use things and they never even bother to look, so they might not be using it properly at all. This is about 2 teaspoons for a quart, I believe. Yes. 2 teaspoons for a quart. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm also going to use BT spray for caterpillars. This is an organic product. And this instruction was, I think about 1 teaspoon. And then I thought I would put in a little bit of dish soap to help with adhesion. So let's go ahead and do that. And then when I spray for aphids, I focus on the stems. You really got to get in there. So aphids, they come up from the soil. So I start at the base of the stem, work my way up. And you got to get, if you're having trouble with the caterpillars, got to make sure you get the bottom of the leaves, not just the top. And I have been doing this maybe like every 10 days. And it's only that much because it's been raining. It's been raining every couple days, which is amazing, but it does wash this stuff off a bit. That's why I thought maybe I use a little bit of soap so it would stick better. But yeah, that's what I use for organic bug control. It's pretty easy to do. You just gotta make sure if you're gonna eat the leaves of the plants that you've treated, they gotta get washed really, really well. Both of these are very oily. Neem oil is an oil, obviously, but yeah, but it's not gonna hurt you. So, all right, so that's what we do. Let's get spraying. Got a couple things I'm letting it grow bigger. Some flowers in here. There's Bell's Daisy and Status, and a lupine, and unfortunately, some of my Japanese cucumbers came up in the garden, but were promptly eaten. So I started them over in here. See if that helps. Also, my squash never came up. I'm sure for the same reason. Yeah. See if I can get the plants bigger before I put them out. More helpers. Are you helping me out here? Yeah. You helping? Had to show you these flowers. They are, May is always the best, May to June in the garden. And right here, where the cat is a bunch of dahlias. Hopefully will come up. Yeah, peonies are going, irises are going, roses. Do you like it? Yeah, okay. Alright, so that's it. Pretty simple. Every 10 days or so. I hope it works because the brassicas look amazing this year. So hopefully we'll get a crop of broccoli before it gets too warm. But anyway, thanks for watching. I really appreciate you guys watching, and like the video and subscribe.